Babies. There's 2 babies. The other ones aren't brave enough to come out. Hi, little baby. Hi, little baby. Look at that coat. Look at this puppy's coat. And there's one that's almost smooth. Are you a smooth baby boy? Look, I never have smooths. And this little one's like mommy. Yeah, like mommy. Come here, little girl. Come here, ma, little girl. Come here, little girl. Are you gonna be? I forgot your name, little girl. Are you Olive, or is Olive the other girl? I think Olive is the other one. Here, little girl. Look at this little boy. Look at this. This is the little Tri boy. Hi, little Tri boy. Look how cute he is. Look, he's got Tri on the side of his. And this little black and white boy. Look at this little black and white boy. They're so exciting. They're like little guinea pigs. You look like a guinea pig. Are you a guinea pig? Oh, a little guinea pig. Look at the tan on the side of his face. You're too active, and you're trying to chew my top or climb up my front. Here's the little girl. Where's the other little boy? Is he asleep? Look. Smooth boy and rough boy and medium broken girl. Can you believe that? Hey, I am not your mother. I am not your mother. I don't have any nipples down there. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. Where's your, come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. He's way in the bathroom. Come here, little boy. Come out. We've got puppy freedom. Come on, puppy freedom. Come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. Look, that little boy looks smooth. Look at you. This little girl looks broken. Here you are. Come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. Everybody's out. Come here. Come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. Come here, little boy. Come here, little pup. Everybody's out but you. And you're trying to chew my shirt. You guys are destructive. No. Look at that coat. Look at that little fur ball. Look, fur ball. Can I even make you be still for a minute? Look at that little fur ball. Look at that face. Look at that cute face. And look at that fur. Look at that tail. Look at that cute face. And this is the little girl with the white body. Come here, let's see what you look like, little girl. You're very cute too. Okay, you go down. Where's the other little boy? Here he is. Come here, little boy. Look at the little smooth boy. Well, these are Tony puppies. Tony's almost smooth, not quite. Look at you. The black and white. Pop up. Pop up. Pop up. Pop up. Come on, pop up. That little pup up doesn't want to come out. He says, it's late. It's 9:30. Why are you doing this at 9:30 at night? Because I had to go to San Diego today. And I promised someone I would take video. Yes. Oh, now you're excited. Look at you. Everybody's having fun, little guy. You just really want to chew my blouse off, don't you, little guy? Look at you. Look at that face. Look at that tri-face. Look at that. Look at that black and white face. Hi, cuties. This is hard to do. I should be sitting on the bed and get a longer distance. Come on, little guys. You want to climb up me? You want to climb up me? Is that what you want to do? Oh, God, you're heavy. You're heavy. Look at the tan on the side of his face. Can you see it? You're very cute, little man. Look at that coat. Okay. You're very cute. You know that. You are very cute. You're very cute, too. And you're very cute. And you're very cute. And you're very cute if you would wake up. Come here, little man. Uh-oh, you're trying to chew my shag rug? I don't want you to chew my shag rug. Oh no, I don't know whose shoes these are. They may be my granddaughter's. They're not my style. Uh-oh, they want to chew my Birkenstocks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I can't get the other one to come out. Little boy, come out. Go play with your brother. Look, she's got a black spot on her butt. It's not a tail spot, it's a butt spot. Uh-oh. What's that? What's that? Oh no, here they come. Here they come. The other one won't come out.
Oh.
Look at him over there. I call him and he won't come. Lazy Bones. This one's really cute.
That's my Davy.
Huh?
I named that one Davy and that one Panda Face.
Who? This is Panda Face?
He's got two eyes and a nose.
Oh. Yeah. Look at you. Look, he's almost a smooth.
He is.
Feels like a smooth. Oh my God. Look. Come on. I know your owner wants to see. Quit crawling under there. I'm not your mommy. Watch behind you. Here comes the girl. Are we going to see you, little boy? There we are. There's the little boy. He's got a nice long coat, too. Look at that. They both have long coats like their mommy. Can I see your face? Oh, you're cute. Let's see your face. Let's see your face for your owner. Oh, my God. He's adorable. Look at that face. You're adorable. You're adorable. Maybe if I get up, I can get away from them. It's be easier. I'm trying to escape from the puppies. No, no, no. What are you doing, little guy? He's... Look at him. He's like a pointer. Is this one that just came out?
Yeah.
Hi, little guy. Let me see what you look like. Look, for your owner. Look at you. Look at you. Look at the face. You're very cute. You're very cute. You're a rough coat. 2 rough coats, a broken coat, and an almost smooth coat. Ow! He bit me. This little guy. Get out of there. Get over there. Look at this one rolls over on his back. He likes to be belly rubbed. He says, I like belly rubs. Ow! This one keeps chewing my feet and my fingers. Ow! He bit me again.
Oh, piranha.
Yes, you're a piranha.
Yes, you
Little fat boy.
little Davy. Okay, go get him.
Don't bite my clothes. Yes, don't bite my clothes. Go over there. No, 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 no. Go over there. Oh my God, I'm at 10 minutes and a half. I can't put a 10-minute video up. Maybe I can. Time to close down. Time to close down. That's the little girl. All these are boys. 3 boys and a girl. Ready to say goodbye? 1, 2, 3.